Arc app. So here is Arc AI home design app, one of the top AI home design apps out there. So as you can see it in top charts out there. So let's just take a look. So super easy to use app, and it's also built by a very famous AI app studio, which built some other viral apps like Genie app, Fotorama, and a bunch of others. So basically, yeah, the concept of this app is that you just take photo of your room, and then you ask AI to generate you some nice designs ideas, either interior or exterior. Or you can just start from scratch and create some inspiration for you, just what's your perfect home, what your perfect apartment. And yeah, super easy to use it with AI just to get some, some nice ideas with this app. It's free to use on the basics, but you have these credits in top right, and I think you can generate for free like 3-5 images per day, and then unfortunately you need to upgrade. But for example, you have interior, so you just tap here, and then you just tap add photo, and then you can upload photo from your files or from your camera. And then here, yeah, you just have it. You have some example photos. For example, if you just tap photos, or for example, if I just use camera, so for example, just take a photo of the bedroom, and then let's generate this. Then you just choose a type of room you have, and then you have different styles here. So bunch of styles, all the different styles. There are some pro ones where you need to upgrade. So for example, if you have, let's select this, and then select which color palette you like, or you can just select to surprise me, and it will give you an idea in selected style. So that's pretty cool. So there you have it. So this is how AI think this room will look in luxury style. As you can see, it takes the correct, positioning of the room, of the bed, for example, of the furniture. So it's not just like giving you random room in this style. No, it takes into account specific, location and position of the furniture in your apartment, and brings you some improvements and some style ideas. Then you can just go down and regenerate these styles. Again, some of the styles are paid ones, and yearly access is $40 per year. There is no free trial. So as you can see, that's what you can have here. And then, so then you just have it here. And then, you can then publish, you can share, you can delete it. And so there you have it. So then there is, unfortunately, there is like watermark. If you want to remove watermark, you need to also to upgrade. And there you have it. So you can generate interior, exterior. You can create space just with yourself, or then you can just try replace feature. So as you can see, you can just select this area. So for example, I just wanna mark this area, just like that. And then next, and then write something like this. So this is, how AI editing will look like. This is like AI Photoshop, but unfortunately, again, this feature is paid one. But this is a really cool feature in this app. Again, you need to upgrade. Then you can just explore different nice ideas. You can see your recent generations. You can see your credits. I think I have run out of credits. So only like 3 images per day for free, unfortunately. Or 3 or 5, maybe just 3. And then, that's what it is. There are no discount codes. There's no referral codes yet. So at the moment, that's just what you have.